In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Wise account on the latest Wise app from the Philippines. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon or name in the top corner, then look for Account, Personal Details, or a banner that says Verify Your Identity or Complete Verification, and tap it. Wise will first ask for your basic info, full legal name, date of birth, and Philippine address. Enter these exactly as they appear on your valid ID. Next, you'll upload your ID and selfie. Choose the country as Philippines, then pick the ID you want to use. Usually Philippine National ID, Phil ID, passport, driver's license, or UMID for Filipino nationals. Use your phone camera to take clear photos of your ID, front and back if needed. Then follow the prompts to take a live selfie. Make sure the lighting is good and everything is readable before you submit. After you send your documents, Wise will review them. You'll get an email or in-app notification once your account is verified and ready for full use. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.